This lightning demo is to demonstrate SILICA U's passive session hijacking feature. As we see here, SILICA U has already gone ahead and cracked the key for us for this particular web network, Netgear Mini. We just had to right-click and choose passive session hijacking. Once we actually start the attack, it's going to put itself in monitor mode and passively monitor the airwaves for any packets that we can read. I'm going to switch over to our victim right now to see what a client that's associated already to the network is going to start browsing some different websites, and we're going to see this particular area populated with any interesting sessions that we can hijack. So I'm going to switch over to our victim's desktop. Let's open that up. Okay. So you should see here now the desktop of a wireless client that's connected to open up the internet. Okay, so now we see a Twitter session. We're about to log in to Twitter. Supplied username and password. And we're also going to log into Facebook. There we go. Now back on the SILICA U device, back on the SILICA U machine, when we switch back, we should see the cookies for these particular web applications in the air. We've already cracked the wireless key, so we can decrypt these packets and see plain text. So SILICA U will pull the cookies out and we can replay them. Now that he's actually logged in, the victim has logged in, I'm going to switch back to the SILICA device so we can see the traffic. Let's open this up. Okay, so you see here that we've had one particular client that's associated to this access point. If there were multiples, they would be sorted by IP address. In order to see the websites that the target has visited, we collapse this menu. We see here Twitter. We see the entire full request. As long as there's a cookie in there, we'll see the request, and we also see some Facebook traffic. So in order to hijack the session, it's as easy as just right-clicking and choose Send this request. SILICA U will do all the steps necessary to set us up so that we can actually get into this session. And as you see, we have successfully hijacked a Facebook session. We didn't need to know the password. We just reused the session, the cookies that you see here. So we can do the same thing. Let's try for Twitter here. Send this request. And there we go. So we have successfully logged into a target Twitter session, and we have also logged into a Facebook session. Now, if we wanted to, if we wanted to collect a lot of information, we could also collect cookies. We can choose to save this particular session, so we can reload these cookies at a later time. I'll go ahead and save that right now. and then so we don't lose any of this information that we've actually collected. This will also work if we were to collapse, if someone were to log into say a router, for example, that uses basic authorization. You would also have those requests in here as well, and you could replay those. So so it doesn't stop just with cookies. And that is the oh, I've got actually one right here. So this IP address is for a wireless device, and we see in here that we have authorization basic, and we could also replay that. That's that. That is the SILICA U session hijacking feature. Thanks for watching.